Today we're going to bring some weed removal tools. Now they come in set of 3s, if you guys can see that. This one's an attachment for a pole. If you have a pole or a stick, you could buy, or you could use your hands if you want. But this actually has the 4 forks, if you guys see, a digger here, and then a side whacker, right? So this is when you grab the weed and you pull it back, kind of thing. All right, and this one's my favorite one because I actually used this one before. You could scrape the stuff off the roots out of the actual weeds, and then you have similar one. Put them to use today because we have an issue. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is our problem. We got all these weeds that we got to remove in our yard, and they're petite, some of them. So let's go ahead and start before and after. I just discovered how to use this properly, right? So I'm not a gardener. So which way you do, because we took that long one out right now, you grab it from the bottom, and this loop, you lift it up. It's to lift the roots out of it. And look at this sucker. This is really, look at that. Take the roots out of it too. So finally discover what it is for. I didn't know. I thought it was a side scraper, but I was wrong. Great tool, and I'm doing great progress with these tools. So all right, that was a really challenging one to take out the task. So this one's actually really good by itself. All right, it's the afternoon already, and I cleared out all the weeds already, completely from out there to here. It took me a couple hours to do it, but it's done. Very simple with that tool. Hope you guys enjoy the video.